Hi, Steinberger unboxing from AMS, American Musical Supply. It was shipped in a larger box, so it was a box inside of a box. So I think we're not going to have to worry about any damage unless it came damaged from the factory. So it comes inside its own good bag. It's tiny. Oh my goodness, this thing it's tiny. This is a little guitar top. This used to be this. Okay, so oh boy. I've wanted this guitar ever since I first saw it, and I know people are, you either love a headless guitar or you hate it. Well, I'm one of those people that loves them. And I have a headless bass. I have a Riverhead Unicorn here that was my first big boy instrument. Yeah. So we've got two Allen wrenches, a big one and a little one, bag of Gokianos. I'm going to chop that up and snort that later. Warning, attention, there's a guitar in here, don't throw it away. Oh my God, my heart is like pounding. This is oh man. Oh baby. Oh baby. Serial numbers right there. Dig it. Yeah, this is the action's a little high. Heck. Good job on the front ends. The neck is painted, you know, so it kind of gums, it kind of grabs. This has the double ball, which I have a replacement on order, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna just continue to try to buy the double balls until that becomes an issue. And I don't know about I don't understand. I don't know the operation of the tremolo. I don't. I think it's locked right now, so I don't really want to put any more pressure on that until I read the manual. There's some kind of a release. Yeah, this somehow, the neck is wide. It's dry too. It could use some kind of like I don't know. Probably put some lemon oil on it. I know a lot of people are really against that, but I have done that before on a guitar with a dry fretboard, and the tone pot is and the volume pot both wobble a little bit, which is odd because there's no set screw on them. But that's fine. It makes it easier to turn, right? So let me get a clean. Wow, you can do wah-wah effects with this. That's the single coil, which yeah, I would have to tune it. Yeah, so my verdict is this. Mr. Bovitas. My verdict is, let me check the balance on it. I want to. The neck is a lot wider than my other travel guitar, which is an old Court 45 that I've just recently developed quite a relationship with. As this sits next to me here, let me show you the Court 45. I apologize for this video being long, but if you know my channel, I tend to not make real quick videos. the reason that I felt I wanted to get this was for the tremolo, because this guitar doesn't have a tremolo, and I use the tremolo arm. So I'm hoping that I can get this, you know, watch some setup videos and get the tremolo to work well for me. Also, I mean, look at it. It's just so cool. Such a cool guitar. With hearing that Gibson being in trouble, they own Steinberger. So, I mean, there's a chance these will still be around, but I wanted to grab one while I knew I still could. And I'm glad I did. I know a lot of people complain about the pickups. There's a guy, Guitar Master is the name of his store. I think he's in New Jersey. I don't know, but you can find him on eBay. And he does guitar pickups, pretty cheap. So I got a pair of his super distortions coming that I'm going to install in here and here. I'm going to leave this, for the moment, this is going to stay in here. You know, and I could cut an active preamp in here. I could put active pickups in it. EMGs would be really cool. But I don't think I want to go active. I think I want... I think that I want to leave it stock. I'm gonna leave it passive, because I already have an active guitar, and there's that whole thing with the battery, you know. So yeah, thank you to handcrafted in China. I'm gonna put that on my Apple computer. Don't throw it in the garbage sticker. That's great. Thank you to the folks at AMS for your fine service. And this inspect hard sticker is just going to go. As far as this guitar goes, I'm gonna be getting used to it. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow for an outdoor jam. We do these remote jams, so I'm gonna have a limited amount of setup time with it today. I'm going to figure out how to get the tremolo going. I don't think it comes with any instructions. I would say the only thing that, let me get a micrometer. The only thing that right now is standing out for me is the width of the neck. No one said anything about it being a wide neck, and it's quite a bit wider than my other travel guitar, which is what I'm used to playing. So it will take some getting used to. So it's 52. We're at the 12th fret. It's 50, and at the 1, 2, 5 frets down, 17th fret, 53. 50, 54. So even just that little bit, I mean, the shape of this neck here, we're at the 5th fret. .54. It's the same thing, 24. So it's not like a baseball bat neck. It's about this. Maybe it's just that it's painted that's throwing me off so much. I'm gonna have to play it like with this guitar. It's got this cutout here and this. A lot of times I'll put this in here and it like locks in, and you can really hold the instrument, stays in place, because that's the issue that you have with these stick guitars, is the ergonomics. Now what I've heard about this is it's incredibly ergonomic. It's supposed to be with this sitting down. This is an incredible guitar to have. So pretty cool. Good job, AMS, and we'll see how I settle into this. It's part of the herd now. It ain't going anywhere. neck quibbles or not. And like I said, I'll get used to this. The only guitar that I really don't play much because of the neck is my Ibanez. It has a wizard neck on it, and it's really flat and wide. And I was never able to get used to that, but I'm going to be able to get used to this. This is not a problem. So awesome, absolutely awesome. Thanks to people who donated money and bought stuff. I sold a bunch of my old gear to get this, so it worked out really well. Thanks.